Chicken. For this, we'll need chicken, onion, garlic, ginger, curd, coriander leaves, coriander powder, cinnamon powder, cloves, cardamom, cumin seeds, bay leaves, green chili, dry red chili, salt, turmeric, and black pepper. Now, let's start the process. First, we'll paste the coriander leaves along with some garlic. Now let's heat a pan with oil. Now I'll add the bay leaves, dry red chilies, cinnamon powder and coriander powder, as well as some cloves. Now I'll fry the ingredients a little bit and I will add onions. Uh, Please do keep in mind that keep aside few raw cut onions for the latter use. I'll fry the onions until it is light golden brown. Now I'll add the chicken to the onions. And I'll mix it well with the oil and the onion. Here I have added salt to taste, turmeric, garlic, green chilies and ginger. Now I'll mix it up very well until all the flavors are absorbed in the chicken. Now I'll add some coriander paste and I will give it a very good mix. Now I'll add some water. Again, I'll give it a good mix. This bhuna chicken is basically pressure cooked. So after giving it a very good mix, I have kept aside a few onions, raw onions. I'll add those raw onions. And now I'll put on the pressure cooker lid and cook it for few minutes until the chicken is softened nicely. I have given 4 to 5 whistles, and beside that I'll now dry saute some ingredients. Those are cumin seeds, black pepper, cloves and cardamom. This is basically called bhuna. My masala for bhuna chicken is ready. I'll keep it aside. Now I have added the dry roasted ingredients to the chicken, and again I'll give it a very good mix. Now I'll add the curd which was kept aside. Just 4 to 5 this is teaspoon, yeah, just 4 to 5 teaspoon. And again I will give it a very very good mix. As it is a bhuna chicken or dry roasted chicken, whatever you call it, I'll keep the gravy a little bit dry. I'm just checking the salt. It's perfectly all right. Now our bhuna chicken is ready to serve. Have it with paratha, chapatis or rice. Thank you for watching.